Excellencies, and distinguished delegates. Rangelands are among the world's most extensive and productive ecosystems, sustaining hundreds of millions of pasturists, supporting rich biodiversity, and regulating water and carbon cycles. India's rangelands sustain the world's largest population of livestock and one-fifth of humanity, and stretch from Himalayan pastures, central Indian savannas, arid Thar, and Kutch to southern sholas. India's approach to rangeland and grassland restoration rests on science, secure tenure, and community stewardship. Satellite-based desertification and land degradation atlases provide the scientific basis for mapping grasslands and planning restoration, while recognition of grazing rights and community forest resource rights over traditional commons strengthen the role of local communities in sustainable management. Source: tenure bolsters restoration on the ground, especially when grazing rights are assured through legislation. India's tradition of community-protected sacred groves, patches of land conserved by local communities for their cultural and ecological significance, is found across the country. I would like to mention here the example of orans from the state of Rajasthan, which are not merely protected but are revered and worshipped by the local communities, keeping in view their importance for an arid region of Western India. We have around 25,000 such community-protected sacred groves, covering around 0.6 million hectares of area across the country, and many of them are protected under statutory provisions. The reintroduction of the cheetah with proposed expansion into grasslands like the Banni in Gujarat has helped restore open forest and grassland ecosystems with wider benefits for biodiversity, water security, and carbon sequestration. These landscapes also carry significant climate value. Deep-rooted grasses store carbon in soils and, when sustainability managed, enhance infiltration and groundwater recharge vital across India's roughly 10 million hectares of permanent pastures and grazing lands. Successful restoration begins with pastoralists as custodians, not merely beneficiaries. Their traditional knowledge combined with modern science can deliver restoration that is ecologically sound, economically viable, and socially inclusive. India welcomes dedicated, accessible financing for rangeland restoration and stand ready for share its experience solutions through South-South cooperation. Thank you very much.